everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel India Again. This is Nani Sharma, and in this session of TOC we talk about important questions based on the check whether the given language is regular or non-regular. So before starting of this session, if you watch first time my video, so please subscribe and click on bell icon for all notification of my new video, and other keep on watch, like, share and comment on my videos. So let's start this session. So this question is include, first one is your L equal to a to power of n b to power of n such that n is less than equal to 1. So you have to consider that here power of a and b is same, so it is not regular, but it is false because here condition is finite. So we say that it is your regular language. Now move on next question. L equal to a to power of n, b to power of n, c to power of n such that n is less than equal to 1. So it is also follow the first type because here also the condition is finite, so it is your regular language. Now move on third question. L equal to a to power of n, b to power of m such that n comma m is less than equal to 1 and n is less than m. So it is also your finite language, and here the power of a and b is also different, so we say that it is your regular language. Now move on next question. L equal to a to power of I j such that I is greater than j, I comma j is less than equal to 1. Here the condition is given I comma j is less than equal to 1 means it is finite solution, so it is say that it is your regular language. Now move on next question. L equal to a to power of n, b to power of m, c to power of k such that m comma n comma k is greater than equal to 1. So it is your infinite solution, but here different power of a, b, c, and hence we no need of memory, so it is your regular language. Now move on next question. L equal to a to power of I, b to power of j such that I comma j is greater than equal to 1. So we say that it is your infinite solution, but here no need of the memory element, plus the power of a and b is also different, so we say that it is your regular language. Now move on next question. L equal to a to power of n, b to power of 4m such that n is greater than m. So it is not your regular, means it is your non-regular because it is infinite solution, plus here one comparison is needed. So in the case of the regular or finite automata, there is no memory element and storing of data, so it is your CFL but not regular language. Now move on next question. L equal to a to power of j, b to power of j such that I is not equal to j, so it is also your not regular language because here only one comparison is needed, so it is your CFL language. Now move on next question. L equal to w wr such that w is belong to a comma b clean closure, so it is not your regular because here memory element is required in the case of the regular language, but in the case of the CFL or PDA no need of the memory, so it is easily accepted by the PDA because here length of the string W is equal to W reverse WR. So we say that it is easily accepted by the PDA machine. Now move on next question. L equal to X to Y. So it is easily accepted by the regular language. Here symbol is different plus no need of the memory element. Now move on next question. L equal to X reverse such that X is belong to 0, 1 star and mod X equal to 2. So here condition is given is finite. So we say that it is your regular language plus it is follow the AP means arithmetic progression. Now move on next question. L equal to XX such that X belong to A, B star. So it is not your regular because here need of memory, and also it is not your CFL because CFL include only one comparison plus it required only one memory element. So in the case of the CFL it is not possible, but in the case of CSL we can accepted by this language. Now move on next question. L equal to W such that W belong to A, B star. So here string length is given is greater than equal to 10 means it is your finite language. So we say that it is your regular. Now move on next question. Question number 14. L equal to W such that A, B star and mod 15 equal to 0. So here condition is also finite. So it is your also regular language. Now move on next questions. L equal to A to power of 2 to power of n such that n is greater than equal to 1. So it is not your regular because it is infinite solution plus power in power. So it is not accepted by regular plus your CFL, but it is accepted by your CSL and recursive language. Now move on next question is here. L equal to A to power of 3 and 3 to power of n such that n is less than equal to 1. So here condition is finite means it is accepted by the regular language. Now move on next question 17. L equal to 2 to power of 2n means such that n is greater than equal to 1. Here language is infinite plus it is follow the AP means arithmetic progression, and here symbol is also 1. So we say that it is your regular. Move on question number 18. So in the question number of 18, L equal to A to power of factorial n and factorial such that n is greater than equal to 1. So this language is your infinite plus it is not follow AP means arithmetic progression, because after expanding this language we got A to power of n comma A to power of n minus 1 comma A to power of n minus 2 and so on. So we say that it is not follow the common difference between the between the two elements and all the language. So it is not your regular plus it is not your CFL, but it is a language means it is accepted by your recursive plus CSL language. Now move on next question 19. L equal to A to power of n to power of 2 means power of power. So it is not your regular because it is infinity plus here it is except the power of power means it is not follow the arithmetic progression. So it is not your regular plus your CFL means it is your CSL and recursive enumerable language. Now move on next question 20. L equal to a to power of p such that p is prime. So according to my check in the previous lecture 7, so prime number is not your regular plus your CFL because prime number is not follow the AP means arithmetic progression. So we say that this is not your regular plus not CFL, but it is your CSL means it is accepted by CSL language because linear bounded automata is accepted this language. Now move on next question 21. L equal to a to power of k. K is odd number means it is follow the arithmetic progression because the difference between the odd number is always 2. So arithmetic and common difference of this is 2. So we say that it is your regular language. Now move on next question is a to power of m. M is an even number means it is also follow the above conditions and solution because here also the difference between the two elements and common difference is always same means it is 2. So it is your regular language. Now move on next question. L equal to total population of India. So this is finite solution because total population of India is always finite. So it is your regular. Now move on next. Property of cricketers. So it is also always a finite language. So it is your regular. Now move on 25th question. L equal to total number of Java programming written in the year 2016. 6. So it is also finite solution. So it is your regular language. Now move on question number 26. Here L equal to a to power of I, b to power of j, j to power of 2. So here power of b is defined as power in power. So it is not your regular plus not your CFL, but it is accepted by CSL and recursive enumerable language. Now move on next question. L equal to a to power of m, b to power of k, c to power of l such that m equal to k plus l. So it is not your regular because here one comparison is needed between the language. So it is not accepted by regular but it is accepted by CFL because in the push down automata have one memory element to store the data. So move on next question 28th and it is last question of this session. L equal to a to power of p, I, b to power of 2j and c to power of 3k. Here such that I is greater than j is greater than k means here we need only two comparison. So we say that it is not accepted by regular plus here need of the memory element which is greater than 1. So due to this reason it is not your CFL, but it is accepted by CSL language means it is defined by the linear bounded automata easily. So this session is end here. I hope you understand all the points. Thank you. Have a nice day.